Hello everybody, today we will be cutting this beautiful soap that Prima made. These will be teacher gifts and bus driver end of the year gifts for all of my children's bus drivers and teachers. And this a beautiful shade of purple. It smells amazing. It's got blueberries in it and lavender, and I can't wait to give it to my kids to bring to their teachers and bus drivers for school. They're gonna love it. So now we are going to start slicing our soap into some beautiful bars, and I can't wait to see what the inside looks like. All right, here we go. Let's see. Ooh, we have beautiful swirls on the inside with a little layer of gold right here. Then the darker part is on the bottom. Very nice.
What is that?
It's pretty soap. Charlie, how's it smell?
It smells like dough.
What's it smell like, Charlie?
It smells like purple.
Purple. Yes, it smells like purple. Does it smell good?
Yeah.